Hi everyone, today we're going to present a presentation on about Air New Zealand regarding the liquidity issue. And now I'm going to talk about the background of Air New Zealand. So background of Air New Zealand is like founded in 26 April 1940 and commencement of operation was in 1965. New Zealand is the biggest carrier airplane company, as we all know that is like in many countries Air New Zealand goes, and also like operating flights to 20 domestic cities and as well as like 32 international destinations in the whole world. And the fleet size is like 116, so it's like 116 aircrafts in the whole world we of Air New Zealand. And also the financial goal is to increase the cargo revenue for the upcoming financial year for to exceeding the previous one. So basically they want to exceed their previous revenue as compared to the present years. And also there is like executive team of Air New Zealand who is like so the Greg Foran is the chief executive officer of the Air New Zealand, and Jeff McDowell is the chief financial officer, and Lenny Karafic is like chief customer and sales officer, and Kerry Brignani is like chief operating officer as well, and Jennifer Spill is like chief digital officer. So now my team member Harman gonna continue this slide.
So my name is Ahmed Singh. So I am like talking about the financial position before after COVID-19 pandemic. And the first slide is like earning before taxation was announced by the Air New Zealand in the year 2019, and the ratio was there is like 374 million, and there was a growth of the operation revenue was revenue by the 5.3%, and like there is also most like loss in covered in the COVID-19. The loss has been reported by the company. Pandemic before the other scientific item to be the it's 87 million. The factor has been put on the patient cost capital needed as well the needs of aircraft through the COVID-19. Like they are also quoted this report is also reported in the LSG Skyshop. There are I think 550 people working over there, so most are the like kicked out from the company, so they also like feel the loss, and so they put in their everything in the gate government. So the next slide will be covered by my team.
Hi, my name is Karunbir Singh and I'm going to talk about liquidity. Liquidity is in the conversion of asset or the security into the ready cash without posing an effect on the market price is the liquidity, and actually the cash is not liquidity asset. The market liquidity and accounting liquidity are the main liquidity types. The most commonly used ratios and for the varying and liquidity are current ratio and quick ratio and cash ratio. So that's all about the liquidity. So next slide I'm gonna present my team.
Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Kurir and here I am going to talk about the issue of the liquidity. So in Air New Zealand we have to discuss about what are the phases the company is facing. So I just found the one, there is the liquidity of Air New Zealand. So here I just show the slide of there is a 2016 to 2020. So here I am just take the 5 year. So how the liquidity of the company decreased because the current asset of the company is less than the current liabilities. So like they have the 1,900 million, and it's so I show in the current liabilities 210 millions. So this shows that the company have in right now in the loss because they have less assets than the liquidity. They have to give more money to the other companies rather than they have their own assets. So in the both of the things I have shown the current ratio and quick ratio. In the next slide, I am talk about the issue. The proportion of I already talked about the what is the issue between in Air New Zealand. So the issue is the current assets is much low as compared to the current liabilities for all the 5 years from 2016 to 2020, due to which the current ratio and the quick ratio are not reaching the ideal ratio. next slide, the staff will tell you about what the main issues they are facing in the liquidity ratio. Liquidity.
So as I'm staff, like talking about the manner in which issue are affecting different stakeholders, like because of the poor liquidity position and the less in the cash and the equivalent at the disposal of the company, there is a feeling in insecurity among the staff regarding salary, if the same will be received on that time or not. Like there are some issues also which I will be asked to my financial advisor. So I will be asked some question to him later. So the next slide will be covered by my teammate, the customer.
So basically, the customers are having difficulty with like which is based regarding the procurement of supplies, and also from the company due to low inventory level, and also the trust of the customer in the company will be damaged, and they will think shifting to other brand, because sometimes when due to cancellation we are not able to give them money back like on the same time, or it is late because of the just because the company is not having enough cash or enough money to arrange the payments like on the time. That's why customers are losing some values as well. And now the financial advisor will discuss some.
So as I'm the financial advisor, the my solution is the temporary cash shortfalls will be faced, and he will get test for the defaults and even the bankruptcy. So as a financial advisor, so I feel that like if our liabilities are so much compared to the assets, so we gonna be a bankruptcy. So if we don't increase our asset rather than the liabilities. So in the last slide, I have to talk about the solution. So the first solution I thought as a financial advisor. So the first point is a sweep account must be used by the Air New Zealand, through which the funds will be transferred into the accounts with the high interest rates. So if the company earn lots of profit, so they gonna put their the profit into the other banks which gave the higher interest of rates. So in the next one, the second solution will tell by the currency.
So the second solution of the liquidity is the payment will be made to the short term. So debit holders and as well as creditors for the reducing the proportions of the current liability of the company. And the third one is we're gonna talk about the HARMA.
The third point is the acquisition of the inventory by the making the use of the long-term financial instead of the short-term funds by the Air New Zealand. So the rest of slides are talking about the issue who's playing the role of the customer.
So customer needs is like they need to require to be involved by the company as soon as possible, and they need to have invoices of their payments. So they have like a good proof as well, and like have like they can claim as well on their like if they want to cancel or if they don't like their services, they can change to the other branch as well. So
So it's the end of slide. So as I am the staff, so if I ask some question to my financial advisor, can you come over here, please? So like on this situation in the COVID-19, like as I'm staff, the most of the staff is kicked out from their job, so they don't have the job. So what you guys should be doing on this situation?
So right now we are planning to taking loan from the governments to give proper facilities to the staff, because as we all know that the Air New Zealand is a very good company of the New Zealand. So I feel that as a financial advisor we are working on that things very deeply. So we will be sort out very soon all that things. Yeah.
so you guys are like thinking about the like your assets, liabilities. Are you having any good plans about the customers? Like that sometimes customers don't like your services from Air New Zealand as compared to other companies like Jetstar. They are giving us like good rates. We don't care about their like your ratios or something you are doing in loss. But the like our needs is to like we get a good price and good facilities and not get cancellations.
Yeah.
Like most of the times we get cancellation like just 24 hours before, or like on the spot they shift us to the another flight. So my reason, like my main thing is like, so what you guys gonna do for the customers, like to make them happy if you guys are canceling their flights and not refunding their money on the time, because sometimes customer is traveling to the overseas. So the thing is like customer is traveling, if the customer is traveling to the overseas, they spend like too much money, like 200 like $2,000 just for one way ticket. So by this, if you cancel the tickets and they're having some plans or having their like family functions or something like that, so they can't visit on the time because the customer is not having like more money to just to wait for your refunding, or they can put their money on the spot and then they can wait for your refunding. Like what kind of thing?
So Vishnu is asking very good, good question. So I have give the answer of that question. Like we are planning to increase our funds. Like as we all know that we are facing the COVID-19 problem right now. So our like we are facing lots of financial loss. So for the future, I have like recently we give cheap prices flight to the customers where to feel customers happy. So in the future, we our company will increase our funds for the customer safety and give the proper facilities to them if they cancel their flight. So we have to inform you as soon as possible before that, because we don't feel comfortable to any of our customer. So in the future we will be complete and give you best services.
Do you think like only refund is the solution for your to make the customer happy?
No,
Like
no, no.
just only by refunding their money they become happy? I think so. We are not happy just to like you guys refund us money because we are not able to find other flight on that time. If we want to go on like a specific time, then we can't find a specific flight on that time. So do you guys think like you guys have to like patch up with another flights and you have to shift us to other flights and you can refund us like a little bit portion of the money, like around $200 just to make us happy, and then we can like we will be also happy because we are able to go back to our country, or we are able to travel on the specific time, the one we have planned. So what do you think?
So the thing you are talking about is sometimes it's happened like the air traffic in the air. So sometimes the flights are late and delayed. So I believe that we're gonna be patch with other companies if you are late with your flight. So we're gonna give you another flight and with the very other good services to you, so you don't feel comfortable. So I think that we will the company will be a very good.
So, what is your new strategy to cover your loss?
So my new strategy is to cover the loss is to I already told you like in the solution. So sweep the accounts to the other bank accounts. Like if I get the profit, so I will put to the high interest bank account, so I will get the profit, as well as give the cheap prices to the customers. So we increase our capacity to give you a proper services. As well as we are also very deeply discuss with the government about the situation, because we all know that it's a very tough time we are facing. So we will discuss and give you a best services in future.
Do you think like only giving a cheap price to the customer they will be happy with?
No, I don't think so. Giving the cheap price with the good facilities also a very deep matter to in our company. So I will be discuss both with my team members after that. So give good services with cheap prices, then you will my staff as well as the customer going to have happy.
Thank you.
If you have any other question, you can ask me as a financial advisor. All
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I just have a general comments for your group. Honestly, you confuse me, because the role that you registered with me are not the same as the one that you present. So from what I had in here, you're going to be customer, Karan going to be financial advisor, Bishu's going to be suppliers, and Haman going to be staff. But then I see Kapil doing a lot of financial analysis when Karan doing really less, and that will impact your performance. So about the content, I really want to see more data and quantitative analysis. You expect to do that. Okay, you got some points in terms of the liquidity with number. So the part that computed is pretty okay. But then for the others one, like you pay for the staff, the suppliers, and the customer, you also need to get the quantitative data as well. So for the content, I think only the financial advisor, which is currently here but is going to be compute over there, so the role is a bit messed up. And I don't know why you change without advisors, as by me. Yes?
I have a question. Like when we are planning of the presentation, so we have discussed about all the things. So we are like, as I am a financial advisor, so I just took that part because I know how to do it. So the current being knows like is the customer or the staff. We discussed and it's our all know that. So what
No,
we do.
this is not a group presentation. This is role play.
Yes.
So you have to play your role. If you say that I'm going to be the financial advisor, then you need to be financial advisor, and you need to talk about all of the financial advisor. You know what I mean? This is role play, not group presentation. So you mess up that part. And then you make him look bad because you did most of his job. You did most of the financial advisor job when he didn't do as expected as the financial advisor. So for the other staff and so that's why the delivery for your group, you have a good voice and language, pretty good, okay, in terms of presentation, but in terms of role play, you confuse me because you don't really play the role, and it seems to be that you really don't have the deep understanding about your role. Okay, I expect to see more data and quantitative analysis. For the content, I only a bit happy with financial advisor content, which means a lot of analysis and numbers there and strategy. But for the customer, the staff, and I see nothing for supplier. So I just see a little bit of the staff and the customer. Okay. But I'm happy with the engagement. So your group is good at the engagement, that you have a lot of questions and being asked. So that's totally my comment on your role play. Yes.
Yeah, just before that, when we in class, so you said that we have to give only the financial of the current ratio and the quick ratio. So before that, we never discussed about the customers or the staff about the ratios and like the.
No.
Actually,
You arrive with the current ratio liquidity. I don't have any
No.
problems with that. The problems I have that for the supporting customer, if you want to have the strategy, you also need to have the quantitative data to support that. You know what I mean? So for a customer, you say, this is my impact. Tell me about the financial impact. How many, monies or percentage being refunded or credit or loss, or how many fine being cancelled. It's all on over the news. You can get that numbers. You know what I mean? For the supplier, you have to say how many flights being cancelled. So there been contract being cancelled as well. This is how much we lose. We lost the money. Okay. That's what I ask. But are you okay with the liquidities? Okay. But overall, so actually, Karan, compared to the other three, you have less contribution into that role play.
actually, I did because we decided to play our roles.
No, I'm sorry. Business has to be individual, and you have to have equal contribution. So you might see your marks gonna be less than the other, grouping. Okay. So come back.
Our first time we are like with numbers as well.
No, it's fine.
Yeah,
So
actually,
just
we-
come back. We finished here. Let's